Hello guys, in this video, I will show you how to instantly withdraw money from Sweatcoin in 2025. Step 1. Open the Sweatcoin app and go to the Wallet tab. Step 2. Tap on Convert or Cash Out if you have linked your Sweatcoin earnings to Sweat Wallet. Step 3. If not already, install the Sweat Wallet app and connect it with your Sweatcoin account. Step 4. Inside the Sweat wallet, tap Send or Withdraw and select your preferred withdrawal method, such as bank, PayPal, or crypto wallet depending on your region. Step 5. Enter the amount to withdraw and confirm the transaction. Step 6. Some region allows instant withdrawals while others may take up to 48 hours depending on verification. Make sure that your identity is verified in both Sweatcoin and Sweat Wallet to avoid delays. So if this video helped you, feel free to like and subscribe for more quick tutorials, reviews, and comparison videos. Thank you for watching.